Whoever you are, the chances are you'll use gas in your home. Appliances need regular checks and can occasionally go wrong. You'll need to contact a gas-safe registered engineer who can help. Only gas-safe registered engineers can fit, fix or service a gas appliance. It's the law. Always check their gas-safe ID card. When a gas-safe registered engineer has fitted a new appliance, they can notify the work and you'll receive a certificate. You can nominate the work for a free gas safety inspection by Gas Safe Register. Gas Safe Register checks every registered engineer's gas work by carrying out a risk assessment. Gas Safe Register inspectors assess engineers to check they're working safely. If the engineer is not Gas Safe Registered, they are working illegally and possibly unsafely, putting you and your family's lives at risk. If you suspect any of these dangers, do not delay. Call the Gas Emergency Helpline. If at any time you think someone is working illegally, report it to Gas Safe Register and we'll investigate. Gas Safe Register can inspect the work and, if it is unsafe, will report to the Health and Safety Executive, HSE, who have the power to prosecute. Remember, Gas Safe Register can also help you find an engineer who can safely work on your appliance. To find or check a Gas Safe Registered engineer, call 0800 408 5500 or visit www.gassaferegister.co.uk. Gas Safe Register is the official list of gas engineers who are qualified to work safely and legally on gas appliances. Gas engineers must be Gas Safe Registered in the United Kingdom, Isle of Man and Guernsey. Gas Safe Register is here to help keep you safe.